Now let's talk about investing and trading. Okay, what is the difference between crypto investing and crypto trading? All right, do they have any similarities? Like, is there anything that binds them together? Okay, that makes them look alike. All right. So these are things we're going to be talking about today in these on this channel. Now, before I proceed, maybe this is the first time you're watching this channel. Okay, I'm not so welcome. Okay, welcome to this channel. And if you are a returning subscribers, okay, I want to say thank you so much for supporting this channel. I appreciate you guys. Having said that, investing is not the same as trading. Okay, and at the same time, investing is also similar to trading. Now, in this conversation, I'm going to be sharing with you the differences and similarity, in real time, in real life. Now, when you say investing, consider investing more like a passive income source. Now, consider trading more like an active income source. Okay. Now, when you invest, it always have duration. Like, okay, I'm going to be investing into Ethereum for, let me say, 2 years, 5 years, or 10 years. So it could be like a short-term investment, a medium-term investment, or a long-term investment. Okay, so you cannot say you're investing into something and within 4 months, 5 months, you want to cash out. That's not investment. Okay, it is more like you are trading. You are doing like swing trading, or let me say position trading. That's exactly what you're doing. All right. So investing requires even more money than trading. Okay, if you had invested into, let me say you have invested into Ethereum since let me say the beginning, the late last year, around 1,200. Okay, let me say, let me even say around 1.5. Okay, $1,500. Today, if you've invested $100 during that period, today you have like over $200. Okay, so your profit is a little bit above $100 profit by the time you remove your capital from it. All right. Now, see how long it's going to take you to achieve that. That is investing. So if you have big capital, like let's say $1 million, okay, by now you have an over $1 million return on investment within, in less than a year of investing into Ethereum. Is that clear to you now? That's investing. Okay. So investing requires even more knowledge, in the reason of it. Because if you invest into a shit coin, for instance, your money will be gone completely. All right. If you invest into what I love to refer to as vaporware, right there before your eyes, your money will be gone. So investment carries its own risk, the same way trading carries its own risk. For instance, now let's assume that, let me even go to CoinMarketCap right now, okay, to show you the risk involved also in investing. So you have to be careful. Okay, you need to be as careful as a trader, really. So I'm going to search for, let me say, Luna, for instance. Okay, or let me say LUNC. Now look at this guy. Okay, look at this guy. If I decide to show all data on this, okay, all data on this, look at this. At some point, this guy was worth over $100 per coin. Today, it is now 0.000. Look at that. So if you had invested, like, let me say, $1 million into this guy, for instance, at this level, by now your investment will have reduced like $100. Okay, $1 million turned to $100. That is not what you want, really. So I'm not saying, this is just to show to you that even investment carries its own risk. Okay, it doesn't actually come without risk at all. You can say that. So imagine someone that invested into LUNC, and that individual is now waiting for years, let me say like 5 years to, to kind of reap the fruit of the labor. All right. So if that is the case, You might find it difficult. You might discover that you just woke up one day and the price, is in shambles. Everything is down completely. Right? So that's to show you that investment also carries its own risk. So now in investing, this is where you now begin to learn about what we call portfolio building, okay, portfolio balancing and portfolio rebalancing. You balance and you rebalance it. Okay. So and you need to understand the concept of a high risk investment portfolio, low risk portfolio, and medium risk portfolio. You know, and that knowledge, that understanding allows you to know, oh, this token is kind of high risk. Okay, I'm going to put this percentage to it, this fraction to it. Okay, this is a medium risk. Okay, I'll put it on this proportion to it. So that understanding, you know, the risk factor involved into what you're doing, it allows you to balance and rebalance your portfolio, thereby helping you to mitigate your risk in investing. Is that clear to you now? Now, talking about trading, okay, trading means that you are trying your possible best to take advantage of short term, price action, okay, short term prices in it. So, if you check that out, okay, it involves a high level of knowledge, and you need to understand the position involved in it. Okay, it could have a position. So you need to have a kind of sharp mind and laser precision in that. So that is all. That is now the time we're going to talk about the risk management factor involved in trading. All right. So in investing, you need to understand the concept of portfolio management, okay, balancing, rebalancing, okay, and the risk types. So for trading, you need to understand the risk management. That is the only thing that could save you in trading. Risk management and understanding yourself, your psychology, your emotion, and making sure that you do not overtrade. Okay, and you have the technical skills. Okay, and you have the technical skills. So if you have this, you go far in trading. All right. So there's some assets. For instance, that's for someone who's trading gold, for instance. Okay, gold has not actually had. It is not possible for gold to do 2x in 1 year or 2 years. It is difficult for gold to do that, right? So someone that is trading gold, because the price movement is also, it's an old asset class. Okay, it's an old asset class, or I refer to it as a traditional asset class. So for someone involved in that, okay, someone that have a good experience and good way of trading will likely be able to make more money than person that is investing into gold. Is that clear to you now? Because you are taking advantage of all of this price movement. It goes down, you open short, it goes up, you open long, and you begin to take advantage of those incremental price movements. Okay, and when price is static, you're able to scalp the market, in the right way. All right. So investing is not the same as trading. So like I said earlier on, investing gives you opportunity to make passive income source. Like you buy, you leave it for a while, it doesn't affect your job. Just buy. After buying, you just go back to your businesses. Okay, you come back after a while, a year, 2 years, 3 years, and you make some profit from it. That is investing. For trading, except maybe you're a swing trader, you cannot leave a trade to run for like a month. Okay, but if you're a swing trader, that is pretty much possible if you're a swing trader, or probably a position trader, in trading. Is that clear to you now? So trading can be regarded as an active source of income. Okay, like everything is active. Okay, so passive ways and active ways of making money in this space. All right. So the activity, is being active. So trading can actually become a full-time skill. Full-time things that you do. Is that clear to you now? So trading could be a full-time stuff. Okay, full-time stuff in the sense that you have those who actually wake up every day, they go to their laptop, they power on their TV and all of that. They look for opportunities in the market on a daily basis. Is that clear to you now? On daily basis. So if that trading is active, investing is more like passive. Even though it requires a lot of experience, a lot of skills, a lot of patience also to make money through investing. So both of them involves buy and sell, because even if you're investing, at some point you want to sell. Exactly. Even if you're investing, at some point you have to sell. So both of them requires buy and sell. All right. But trading involves capitalizing on price fluctuation on daily basis, on hourly basis, on minutes basis, depending on the time frame that you're using for your trades. Is that clear to you now? So I'm here to convince you and not to confuse you that investing, is not the same as trading, even though they have a little similarity between both of them. Okay, now that you know, okay, you can combine it. You can also be an investor in the crypto space and also be a trader. Okay, you can make money from investing and take part of the profits to fund your trading account. And whatever profit you are making from trading can also be sent to your investment account. Let me give you an example now. You have maybe you actually got into Bitcoin. Just an example. Okay, you got into Ethereum around 1005. Okay, and you got into that with let me say $10,000. Now today, your asset is now worth over $20,000. Okay, a smart person could actually take like 5K from it. It depends on how your level, your skills in trading. All right, you could take your 5K from it, okay, and begin to use that to trade the market. Open shorts at the right time, buy at the right time. So let's assume now that within like 2 months, 3 months, you made like 20% profit, on that. 20% of 5K is $1,000. Just an example. All right. So you can actually use that 1,000, okay? Maybe take like extra 200 from it. I don't know. I'm just giving an example. Or if you don't mind, you can use everything. Can use that extra 1,000 and buy some other coins that are down at the moment. Okay. An example of coins you could buy could be something like this. ARB. ARB is down, and it's pretty much on the very good support level. Okay, like this one now, ARB theta. Okay, you can see this guy is down like crazy. Okay, and the chance that this guy will actually get to like 0.6 cents, before the next leg up is very slim. Okay, this is a very nice entry level if you ask me for it. So you could use that 1K to buy this in a hand and have a good value, a good amount of ARB. Right? If this guy should actually move to like $2 back, you can cook profits. Okay, you can easily flip that, right? You can easily flip that, isn't it? So that is how you can combine investing and trading. It can actually work hand in hand, if you know what you're doing. You can work hand in hand if you know what you're doing. All right. So, guys, if you have any question for me, you can use the comment box to ask your questions. Don't forget to hit the like button. That's quite important. Hit that like button right now. And subscribe to the channel, turn on notification, and don't forget to share with your friends. Okay, that is the difference between investing and trading. Bye. See you very soon.